The future of the Indian Air Force's 6 squadrons of Jaguar strike fighters is hanging in the balance. The IAF has regarded the Jaguar as underpowered ever since it entered service in the late 1970s. Now, wear and tear on its twin Rolls-Royce Adore engines has reduced the aircraft's thrust even further by an estimated 15 to 20%. As a result, the Jaguar faces difficulty in carrying out its demanding combat role, flying low and fast, deep into enemy territory, bombing its ground target accurately in a single pass and then screaming back to base, ahead of enemy interceptors. In such missions, power is essential for survival. A new Adore 811 engine initially provides about 32.5 kN of thrust. But after about a decade of service, it drops to barely 26 kN, says a senior IAF pilot with extensive experience flying the Jaguar. Aiming to replace the Jaguar's underpowered engines, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and the IAF negotiated for a decade with US defense giant, Honeywell, to retrofit its F-125 in turbofan engines into the fighter. That was expected to make the Jaguar operationally viable for another 2 decades, since the F-125 in-engine delivers an impressive 40.4 kN of thrust with full afterburners. However, negotiations with Honeywell have proved futile. The US company wants a price the IAF considers exorbitant and is unwilling to pay. With negotiations with Honeywell broken down, HAL is back talking with Rolls-Royce, which built the Jaguar's original Adore Mark 804 and 811 engines. In extensive discussions over the last 4 years, Rolls-Royce has proposed refurbishing the Jaguar's power plant by replacing worn-out engine components with brand new replacements from the Adore 871 engines that HAL builds in Bangalore for the Hawk trainer the IAF bought in 2004. Rolls-Royce said to IAF that refurbishing engine will create additional 13 to 18% more thrust than the baseline Mark 811 is achievable at takeoff on hot day conditions. Rolls-Royce assured the IAF that this prototype configuration has already been demonstrated on the sea-level test bed at Rolls-Royce Bristol. If Rolls-Royce proposal does not materialize, the Air Force's 110-odd Jaguar fighters will start retiring by 2024, with all of them likely to be phased out by 2030. This would seriously disrupt the Air Force's force planning, creating a 6th squadron gap in the combat fleet, which would cost $20 to $30 billion to fill. Phasing out the Jaguar would also render fruitless the sophisticated avionics upgrades that HAL has carried out to its mission systems, making it a far more potent and accurate fighter bomber than when it first came to India. The upgrades include HAL's latest navigation attack system called Darin 3, which can guide the Jaguar unerringly to a target hundreds of kilometers away, even in the dead of night. In 4 years of exploratory talks between the IAF and Rolls-Royce, the cost of refurbishing the old engine has not yet been discussed. However, HAL and the IAF officials both agree, refurbishing the old Adore engine will be significantly cheaper than retrofitting the new Honeywell one. Thank you everyone for watching this video.